Welcome back to Guitar Maintenance, maybe part 3. Right, now I'm stone and fretting my frets. So I've got a file here, and basically I want to get all the little grooves and that to actually, so it's a good thing to do just to maintain your guitar. So this is basic. And all I'm doing is going over the frets of this file, and so it's leveling it off. I mean, you can, it's not a difficult job, or go to a guitar tech to have it done yourself. Get him to do it for you. But you can do this at home, the same like truss rod adjustments. When they've got fret buzz, with fret buzz, usually with the actual fingerboard there, a lot of the time, if it's slightly bowed, that it needs to become straight, and that's where you tighten the truss rod to make it more straight. So, but you don't want it dead straight, you want a slight curve in it. But if it's really quite thin, obviously you'll notice where the strings sit, there'd be a curve like that. So in the middle of the fretboard, it will actually be higher. The string will sit higher, but it needs to be kind of flattish. So anyway, but we'll come to that. So I'm doing some basic maintenance here, and just cleaning up my frets here. It's all jolly good fun cleaning these.